Hi, in front of me is Huawei Honor 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can use Sound Recorder on this device. Firstly, find Tools and open Sound Recorder. Then click on the red button. Click Allow and tap on the red button again to start the recording. You can end it the same way. Tap on Stop to name your recording and then click Save. Now tap on the recording list at the bottom left corner, and as you can see, all my recordings are over here. If you wanna delete one of it, just tap on it, hold, just delete and delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!